In this video, we're going over how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy S22 so you can use it with any carrier. Welcome back to another video. I'm your tech guide, Wayne. And in today's video, I'm going to go over how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy S22 so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you'll need to do is tap on the phone button and make sure you're on the keypad. And you're going to type in *#06 and pound. That's going to show you the IMEI of the phone. Make sure you write down the first number at the very top. Next, we're going to go home and go to the Google Chrome app. And we're going to go to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and we're just going to fill out a few prompts. First thing you'll need to do is enter the manufacturer, which is Samsung. Then the model, which you're going to go down to the Galaxy section, Galaxy S. And there are a lot of Galaxy phones, so you'll be swiping for a while. And go to Galaxy S22, tap Unlock Now. On the next screen, it'll ask you to fill out a few more questions, specifically about where you purchased the phone. So the country, which will be United States, and the carrier, which is going to be AT&T. We're going to tap Next. On the last screen, we will need to enter our contact information, starting with the IMEI, what we wrote down in the first step of the video. Put that number here. Type in your first name, your delivery email address, and a contact number. And before you hit order now, you're going to swipe up so you can see the price, which will be $29.99, and the average delivery time. Delivery time refers to when they're going to send you the unlocking instructions. The process to unlock phones does change from time to time, so you input your information, you're going to order, pay, and they will send you a follow-up email within 24 hours with the unlock instructions. Now, a couple of cool things I wanted to point out, and one of the reasons I like this site is that they do have a toll-free number at the top that you can call for questions. They have a number you can text 24 hours a day. And if you look on the main page of their website, they do offer a 100% money-back guarantee in the event that they're not able to unlock your phone. So you have that assurance, which to me is all I want to hear, you know, that, hey, if something goes wrong, I know I can get my money back. So after you get that email with the final unlocking instructions, what you will need is to then take out your old SIM card and put in the SIM card of the new service you want to use the phone with. In this case, I'll be using the phone with T-Mobile. So what you'll need to do, have a T-Mobile SIM card ready, and also in the box you'll find your little SIM tool. It looks like this. If you can't find this, find a paper clip and just bend it back. And on the bottom of the phone right here, this is the SIM tray. You'll just need to use the tool to pop out the SIM tray. See that? And we can just take out the old SIM card and then we can put in our new SIM card. And once we restart the phone, follow the final steps and you're all set. Your phone will be unlocked. So hope you guys found this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. I will have a link below in the description of the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching. Take care, and as always, have a good one.